Hello everyone, this is Namisha Oja and I am here to give you a short tutorial on how to use our Into Legal World Institute app that is available on Google Play Store. So first of all, open the Google Play Store that is available on your mobile. Then in the search box type ILW Institute. Then you may see this icon and click on this icon and click on the install button. Now wait for a while till the app is installing. Now once the app is installed on your mobile, click on the open option, then log in using your phone number, enter the OTP. Now you have been logged in into the app. Now click on the batches option and you may see the batches that you have subscribed for. Then click on the particular batch and you may see various options such as overview, attendance, assignments if any, announcements, tests, videos. In the video section, you may access the recorded lectures that is available for your use, live classes, and study material where you can find the smart notes. If you have any further queries, please do let us know. It will be our pleasure to help you all. Thank you.